Baby boomers. We're a population rapidly growing in number. According to AARP, every day in the United States, 10,000 people turn 65, and the number of older adults will more than double over the next several decades to represent over 20% of the population by 2050. And the reality is, we still need to be planning for the future. Now, for some, that may mean various levels of care, but not everyone is going to require nursing home care or assisted living. Some of us may be able to stay in our homes if there is even a minimal level of assistance available. Penny Stevens is the Business Development Coordinator at Essential Senior Health and Living, and she's telling us about an attractive program that may allow us to do just that. Penny, welcome to the Buzz of Madison County, and thanks for joining us. Let's talk about Essential's facilities first, and then about this new level of programming that many of us may be needing sooner or later.
Sure. Essential Senior Health and Living has been doing business in Madison County for about 29 years. We have 3 nursing facilities in northern Madison County: Northview Health and Living on Cross Street in North Anderson, Summit Health and Living up on the main street of Summitville, and then we have Elwood Health and Living on Park Lane in Elwood. Currently, we have launched a new service line called Essential Senior Connections.
So let's talk about that a little bit.
Essential Senior Connections, we had really been thinking about what could we do to impact seniors who were aging at place at home. And we know that moving forward, federal dollars are going to be looking to help seniors remain in their home. And who doesn't want to stay at home for as long as they can? But we thought, how could we, though, assist them? And what are some things that we could offer as a company and by partnering with other organizations to help seniors do that, to age in place? So in February, our new service line, Essential Senior Connections, went to work. And we began partnering with Life Streams Services. We have been partnering with Habitat for Humanity, partnering with SAWS, who is an organization out of Hamilton County that builds ramps for seniors who qualify, because we want seniors to be able to not just age at home in place, but to be able to get out of their home and not be trapped. United Way is where we've been partnering, and we really have housed Essential Connections out of what is now called the Hub in Alexandria. There was an elementary school that Alexandria closed because they built a new wing, and so we partnered with the Y, with the Alexandria Community Center, and the Alexandria School System, and Essential Senior Connections. So we're really housed out of that building. That's known as the Hub now. So we do a lot of programs out of there. We have meal pickup every Monday from 11 to 11:30. Seniors can drive through, and we're actually working with some of our students that will help load the car with their meals. And we probably are servicing over 60 seniors a week that way. Live Streams have done some educational classes. We've also had Purdue Extension do classes there. But we've also gotten out of Alexandria, and we're doing some other things in Anderson, in Elwood, again, in northern Madison County. We're not interested in becoming another home health company because there are plenty. What we're interested in doing is having seniors contact us, and then we become a concierge, if you will, to say, okay, we need to get you connected here. Okay, we need to help you connect here. Recently we were just given a grant from the Madison County Foundation that seniors who needed some safety equipment in the home, like maybe grab bars in their bathrooms and such, that we could go in and have therapy go in, assess that situation, and then be able to provide that service for seniors. Again, all about, whether it's education, social, or whether it's some medical things that we could help seniors with who are, again, aging in place.
Well, as we mentioned, this is an evolving program with a lot to offer for stay-at-home options. What are maybe some of the plans for things to come on the horizon?
One area that we know is a big need is transportation for seniors.
Hmm.
And every medical professional knows that that is an area that is difficult for seniors to get transportation to appointments, to the hospital for things. So that is something that we're hoping to develop. And then also just more medical services as we move into this. Our hope is that we can go into the home and do a wellness check. Maybe you're concerned, maybe you live in another state, but mom's here in Madison County and you just want somebody to go check on her. She just didn't sound well this morning. So we certainly are not there yet, but that is an area where we hope to grow a little bit more into the medical piece of that. And right now, we are funded really by Essential Senior Health and Living, and we have been grateful to receive some support from the Ricker Foundation here in Madison County and also the Madison County Foundation. And that is one reason why we're doing the fundraisers is to support the programs that we are doing.
Well, Penny, finally, if we're interested in some of these low to no cost programs, how can we reach out for ourselves or for someone else?
Linda Harshman is the contact for our program, and she can be contacted at 765-298-6444.
Penny Stevens of Essential Senior Health and Living. Thank you for joining us today, and thanks for this great information and making our community a better place to live. And thank you for listening today. That's the Buzz in Madison County.